I am going to be filming this Louis Vuitton unboxing video. This video is one of its kind on my channel. If you would like to learn about this bag, be sure to grab yourself a drink and continue watching. I would like to have you here. I am Aje-IyaTV on YouTube. I also make fashion luxury vlogs and unboxing videos. The other day, I went into Louis Vuitton and I decided to pick up this bag. No, actually, it was not this bag. This is it here. It was not this bag I intended buying. Like you can see in my previous videos on Selfridges blog, there are these two bags that I was going into trying and also doing videos, vlogs for you royals. So on this fateful day, I walked in and I met with my essay and I was giving her a description of the bag I would like to purchase. And she said, we've not reached that level. So there was nothing like that in store. So she brought this bag to me and I compared it with what I intended buying. Then quickly I tried it on and I was like, okay, I have to make my choice tonight. I looked at the kind of outfit I'll be wearing this bag with. You already know the bag already because the title is showing the bag, but I decided to try in store and think about it, and I sat down. After a couple of minutes, I decided to go for this bag, and it's not other than it's the Alma BB trunk, I believe. The reason why I went for this bag, it's because the quality was slightly higher than just the normal BB, and I was like, okay, I'll just go for this bag. Now into the reason why you're here, the unboxing. So let's get started. Thank you very much. Thank you. The receipt is inside. Thank you. Cheers.
Very nice.
Oh, thank you. Cheers. Bye. So here is the packaging. This is how I was given the bag in Louis Vuitton. So without much further ado, let me unbox it for you on camera. I haven't opened this box since I got it, so I don't even know what's inside, if they've given me the right item I purchased. But this is the box. So this is me unboxing it, the bag. I am going to see the bag live the same time as you are as well. This is the moment of truth. I need to start wearing the bag quickly because the return policy is 14 days. This is the bag in all of its glory. The fabric is also canvas, it's not leather, so there you go. So I'm just going to show you how the inside of the bag looks like. And the BB means, I think it's the small size, and this is the trunk version. and you can see the detailing. So the padlock might be inside. This is how the inside looks like. It's got the padlock in the dust bag. Let's open it. That's the padlock, and the key is, I can feel something in there. Okay, it's in a separate section. That's where the key is, and the padlock goes in there. It comes with this strap that is adjustable. You can see the holes. It's black. It comes with like a scan code. Got pocket in here, or a slide in there where you can put your cards and money and things. And it's suede. I've shown you that part before. That's how the bag looks like. Then it comes with a chain as well. I was a little bit concerned if this will be too much for everyday use, but I dress elegantly, sophisticated. So if that is your vibe as well, you know, this might work for you. I'm going to show you some mod shots as well, so keep on watching. This is the foot of the bag, so that's how it looks like. If you were wondering, it doesn't have that Louis Vuitton in the, is it diamond print that has just a little squares. This just says LV and the monogram, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris there. This is the reveal. Then the next thing I'll be showing you is how I am going to style it with this outfit. So keep on watching. I was just about taking this off my head and this came out. So I don't know how strong this is. I've come to the end of this unboxing video. If you did enjoy, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.